Coming to the next, that is classwork. Now, what classwork a teacher does in a class? Let's see one by one. So it says assign work to your class here. Create assignment and question. Use the topic to organize class into modules or units. And order the way you want the student to see it. So we'll see what it is. Now let's go to create. Now in create there is assignment, quiz, question, material, reuse post and topics. Topic means what a teacher will teach. So here I can set the different topics. Reuse post means if I have posted something prior, I can reuse it here. Then coming to material, this is study material. So I can segregate the material topic by topic. Now coming to question, these are the questions which I can ask to student after my topic is over, and student can answer those. Coming to the quiz assignments, this is, you can say, a type of test which I can conduct and evaluate the student, and the assignments which I can give to student, that student have to complete this particular assignment. So I can schedule it for the later use or I can post it immediately. So you have assignments, you have quiz. You can say quiz is like a test. This is question which can be asked at the end of the topic or end of the lecture in the class. These are the materials. Now these materials can be in the format of PPT, it can be notes in the format of PDF, it can be images, it can be videos also. These videos can be uploaded from your hard disk, uploaded from the Google Drive, or even you can give link of the sites from where you want the student to see these videos. Fine, I hope this much is clear. So let's go ahead. Let's see first topic. Now in this topic I am writing syllabus. So student will see the syllabus in this. The next is in the topic I can write textbook. So I'll upload the standard books if they are available in the PDF format. The next I'll create the topic of my syllabus. So let's load the syllabus first. So I'll go to my folder where I've kept my syllabus. So I've separated all the data in this Google Classroom content, and here I've made notes, PPT, practicals, textbook and syllabus. Now here I won't set up the complete topics of the syllabus. I'll take one or two topics just for the example. Now this is the Internet of Thing and overview. This is my first topic I'm taking. So I'll go to Google Classroom. I'll write unit 1 for students reference and the topic name and say add. So this is my unit 1 first topic. Then I'll say design principles for connected devices. Again, this is the topic from unit 1. So I'll take here and I'll say create topic, and here I'll write unit 1 with another topic, add. So my topic is created, and then I'll take one more topic so that my unit 1 will be complete. Now I'll go here, I'll say create topic. Again I'll write here unit 1, and this is my topic. So add. Now as per the syllabus, this was my first topic. So what I'll do, I'll click here and I'll say move up, and I'll say move up. Fine. What my second topic? Second topic was design principle. So this was my second topic. So I'll just say move up. So now as per the syllabus, unit 1 has these 3 topics. So you can arrange this way. So now I've explained you how to create the topics. Now second part is how to add the content to these topics. Fine. So let's say material. Now in a material, here I'll write syllabus. Description, I'll write syllabus for Internet of Things SEM 5 BSc IT. Now it's up to you what description you have to give. I have given this description, and if it's an optional, if it's needed you can give it, if not it's up to you. Now I'll say add. The moment I come to add, I can add it from Google Drive, I can link it to some site, I can load it from a file if it is not available in Google Drive, and even I can set the YouTube link. Now I'll go to file because it is in my hard disk. So first I have to load it in Google Drive. So I'll select from here. So I'll go to my Google Classroom and I want syllabus to be uploaded. So this is my syllabus. I'll say open, upload. So this is uploaded, but where it should go? It should go in syllabus part. So from here, the topic, I'll select syllabus. Now this is for all the students, and this is, since there is only one class, it will show for TY BSc IT. Now at this point I can post it right now or I can schedule it, but since this is a syllabus, I'll just post it. So I'm posting it and my syllabus is over. So syllabus is loaded. Now you can see here syllabus is available. You can just click here. You can see the file of syllabus. You can view the material also. Now what it says, syllabus for Internet of Things SEM 5 BSc IT. Fine. So syllabus is done. Now we'll load the second material. Yes, correct. That is textbook. So I'll say textbook. Now what I can do, I can take the name of the author over here, or the title of the textbook and name of the author. So I'll go to textbook. So I'll say this is my textbook which I have to load. I'll come, I'll load here. Fine. Description. Simply I can say textbook recommended in syllabus. Fine. And again, since it is not available, I have to add it. So I'll add it from file. So textbook, I have loaded with one textbook. You can load multiple textbooks also. So say upload. So it will get uploaded. See, it is uploaded. So uploading is done. Now again, where I have to use, I have to set this to textbook, and it's for students, all students, and I'll say post it now. So it is posted. So see, again the textbook is here. You can add multiple textbooks. Let's say we'll add one more textbook here. So I'll say material. Again I'll go to here, my folder, and I'll write here the title. Again I'll say textbook recommended in syllabus. Again I have to add it from a file, and if you have a link of the textbook directly, you can write a link also. So open, upload. So textbook is getting uploaded. Just see this. Here also it is uploaded. Done with the upload. Now where it should go? It should go in my textbook topic. Again it is to be posted immediately. So I posted it. So I have posted 2 textbooks, so 2 textbooks are available. So students can download the syllabus from here. Students can see the textbooks from here. Now